Do you feel tired all the time even after sleeping well? Do you experience tingling in your hand or feet? Are you forgetting thinking more often? Those could be warning signs of vitamin B12 deficiency, a common but often ignored condition. Many people live with these problems without a knowledge. Welcome to Medico Simplified. In this video, I will explain what is a vitamin B12 and I will explain what is early symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency and I will explain what is treatment and prevention tips. What is vitamin B12? Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient your body needs for red blood cell formation and brain function and nervous system and DNA productions. It mainly found in animal-based food like meat, eggs and milk. Your body cannot produce vitamin B12, so the most get it from your diet. When your body lacks a vitamin B12, it affects multiple systems, especially the nervous system and brain cells. Early warning sign of vitamin B12 deficiency. Let us look at the most common symptoms are fatigue and weakness. You feel tired all the time even without heavy works. Memory problem, difficulty of concentrating or remembering thinking, tingling or numbness, pain and needle sensation in head, in feet, dizziness, feeling a light head or unbalanced, mood changes, depression or irritability or anxiety, blurry visions due to a nervous damage. Those symptoms develop slowly, that way many people ignore them. Cases of vitamin B12 deficiency, poor diet, vegetarians and vegans at higher risk because vitamin B12 is mostly in animal food. Aging older adult absorbs less vitamin B12, digestive problem, conditions like gastritis and intestinal disorder and reduced vitamin B12 absorption. Medications, long-term use, the some medicines like antacid can reduce vitamin B12 level. Medical conditions, creatine disease affect absorptions and increase risk. Understanding those cases important for the proper treatment. Diagnosis of vitamin B12. Doctors can diagnose a vitamin B12 is a simple blood test, a complete blood count or CBC. Doctors check hemoglobins or red blood cell. Complications of vitamin B12. If untreated, the vitamin B12 can lead to severe anemia, a nervous damage, and memory loss and balance problem. In some cases, nervous damage can become a permanent. I will explain treatment types. Supplement. Doctors may prescribe a vitamin B12 tablet. Injections. For severe deficiency of vitamin B12, injections may be required. Diet improvement include the vitamin B12 rich food daily. Always consult a doctor before starting treatment. Best food of vitamin B12, eggs and rich easily available source, milk dairy or milk cheese, meat and chickens excellent vitamin B12 source, fish especially tuna and salmon. A balanced diet can prevent deficiency. When to see a doctors? Visit doctors if you have resident fatigue and numbness or tingling and memory problems or unexplained weakness. Early diagnosis can be prevent serious complications. Vitamin B12 deficiency is common but easily preventable. Your body gives the early warning signs. Don't ignore them. With proper diet and lifestyle and treatment, you can protect your health. If you found this video helpful, to like, share and subscribe to Medico Simplified for more medical educational videos.